Did you know a major pharmaceutical company once marketed heroin as safe cough medicine for babies? In 1898, Bayer launched their new wonder drug with bold claims. Heroin was supposedly a non-addictive alternative to morphine, perfect for treating children's coughs. Their advertisements literally showed mothers spooning it into infants' mouths. Sales representatives visited schools, convincing teachers to give heroin to sick students. Doctors prescribed it for everything from simple coughs to tuberculosis. For over a decade, Bayer aggressively pushed this miracle cure. But addiction rates were skyrocketing across the country. Here's the shocking part. Bayer knew heroin was dangerously addictive within just a few years. They kept selling it to children anyway. The name heroin actually comes from heroic because it made people feel invincible. Bayer had created America's first mass addiction epidemic, targeting the most vulnerable victims. This scandal eventually led to the first major drug control laws. Bayer tried desperately to cover up their role, but the damage was already done.